Who else needs a hiatus from life right now?
Girl, I do. Today we're walking you through a Hiatus Tequila recipe, the Jalisco Sunset. This is a sexy, sour, herbaceous cocktail. How sexy is the word herbaceous?
It's freaking seductive. We love the ingredients, but have never thought about mixing all of them together.
This cocktail has a hint of sweet, which comes from the muddled cantaloupe, rosemary, and agave.
If you like sour, you're gonna like this cocktail. It has the juice of 2.5 limes. I love it. This is my kind of cocktail.
There's a touch of Aperol and then 1.5 ounces of Hiatus Blanco. This tequila has actually won an award. It's a crispy, clean tequila.
0 additives.
You don't have to be extra like us and ball the cantaloupe, but I mean, look at that. Cheers. It smells amazing. That rosemary.
That lime is really coming through for me.
Girl, wow.
This is a beautiful cocktail.
I love it. Our friends at Hiatus are giving the Thirsty fam 15% off from now until the end of July.
Use the discount code THIRSTY to get you some tequila, baby. My balls keep falling. I think it's actually kind of cute, like, even just like that. That is adorable.
That's a vibe.
That's a whole nother cocktail, baby.
You cute or whatever.
Brand new. Okay.